Hello and everyone, welcome to a video. No need to explain about this video because the heading all it says. So let's get into what is HTML in a quicker way. Please do subscribe for our channel and click the bell icon and get notified for every new videos. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Usually it is used for building up websites earlier, but nowadays we have a lot of programming languages and other new techniques for building various interactive sites, but still HTML is used to maintain its structure of a website and the contents. Okay, so not only HTML alone can stand still for creating a website, we have various other techniques that can be merged with HTML to create a wonderful websites. So how to create an HTML source code? You don't need any of the softwares. You just need a text editor like Notepad or Notepad++. You can have the text editor to create the HTML codes. Okay, there is any general structure of a HTML program? Yes, there is a structure for HTML program, but no need to follow the structure also. You can simply open a notepad and you can save it as .html file. Still it works. Say for example, I'm saving it sample.html. I'm not doing nothing, doing no coding in this file. I'm saving it as sample.html. Okay, the extension for the HTML file is .html. Now see here, just it's open in the Chrome browser. See, there is it's a website, right? We don't have any contents. If I add some contents here, like say hello world, I'm saving it. I'm just refreshing the website. So there you go. So what, there is a structure for HTML, but no need to follow that also. If you follow that is a professional way. In simple word, you can create an HTML web page by saving a notepad with .html. Okay, so if you want to format further, you have to use the tags in it. So we will see what are the tags, necessary tags one by one now, the essential tags. Okay, before that you will see about the professional way of creating HTML. Okay, so it consists of a tags, right? What do you mean by tags? Is nothing but less than symbol or greater than symbol. Oh, between that the text will go between those angular brackets. It is called a tag. So here is a HTML tag, which is mandatory to open a HTML file, and this is a closing tag. So the slash stands for closing tag. Okay, so whatever codes or whatever contents, whatever tags you are going to use in the HTML file, it has to be go inside this two HTML tags. So this is opening HTML tag and this is closing of the HTML tag. And basically you have two sections, that is sub container. So this is a container of HTML. Inside this there are two sub containers you need to introduce. That is called head tag, closing of head tag, and body tag. Okay, so what head tags will contain is the information within this head tag will not be visible in the web page. Okay, so it's like it has the formatting options, styling options, scripting options, okay, and the metadata of the web page. So those things will go inside your head sections, and the body section, here all your contents of the web page, whatever visible in the web page, okay, the buttons, the text, images, video, audio, the all multimedia contents, the alignments, so everything with the tags will go inside this body sections. Okay, let us have a example. Okay, title. So my first HTML program. Okay, inside the head tag I'm giving the title of the web page. So let us see where it changes. Now I am refreshing it. So you can see the heading here the heading goes here, my first HTML program. Okay, this is what the title of this web page, how to set the title, right? And here if you want to change this icon, you have to use a tag called favorite, FAVICON, favorite icon. Okay, now inside the body, same all over. Save it. Now refresh the page. Yes, there you go. So very simple. So within 5 to 10 minutes you learn the HTML language. So the basic is what is mean by tag. So this is a tag, and what is mean by closing tag. So whenever you use a slash inside it, it is a closing tag. And two sections are there in HTML. One is head section, another one is body section. The informations, metadata, everything will go, that is details of your web page will go inside this head section, and the contents will go inside the body section. So this is the very first basics of your HTML. So let us have some other examples of tags also. So H1, this is a heading tag. Okay, I'm inside H1, we are giving the hello world, save, refresh. Now we can see the strength of the text. There is heading size of 1. Now the same thing if I give with the H2, let's see what happens. See here, see the difference, that is heading 2. So this is the top level heading, the subheadings we can align easily like with the H1 tag and H2 tag. Now you understand the importance of closing tag. That is, the heading 1 starts here and it ends here, right? So if I am not mentioning this H1 here, if I forgot to close the tag, what happens? So it is applicable for all the following contents. So this is H2 only because it starts, right? The H2 starts here. So if you are not closing tag, it will follow the same formatting option for all the remaining text. So this is the importance of opening and closing tag. Okay, then one more thing, what mandatory thing that people will do is that image tag, right? IMGSRC, right? This is this thing people use it. The website will not, no website, there is no website without images, right? So how to include images in your website? Using this IMG image tag, and this SRC is nothing but attribute for this image tag. So far we have used only the tags, right? So body tag, we are used only the tag H1 is tag alone, but this image, okay, so if you have like this is an image tag. Okay, this is attribute, the SRC called source is the attribute of the image, which gives more information about the image tag. So in this case, the source is nothing but it says the location of the image where it is stored in this particular system. Or if you are hosting in a server, you have to represent the exact location, that is website locations. Now I'm going to see, for example, in my folder I'm already having the image like html01.jpg, right? It's in the same folder of where I'm having this notepad. Okay, if you are in if your HTML file and the image are in same folder, no need to mention the location, you have to mention just the name of the image file. Okay, now save, refresh. So there you go, you are having the image in the browser. So you can also edit the width and height of it. So again, height and width are the attributes of image tag. So with the original size, I am making it to 50%. That is, the original size of height and width of the image will be reduced to what, 50%. So there you go. And if you want some center alignment, like center, you can give. I'm aligning only the first line. Yes, it's aligned to center. So this is the way you can create simple HTML website. Thank you.